On today's menu, an easy delicious recipe that's perfect for weeknighting. A unique and delicious stir-fry rice bowl. Lei Hong Ma, that's as you're going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. You're in for a real treat. This recipe combines some really unique flavors together. But before we get started, a big thank you to our friends over at Shopify for sponsoring today's episode. I'll mention more about them in a little bit. As always, let's get started with the recipe first. Place 1 cup of jasmine rice into a small saucepan. Then rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. This recipe is good for about 2 generous portions, but of course you can multiply it to make more if you like. 1 cup water. Medium-high heat. When the water begins to bubble, give the rice a good stir. Turn the heat down to medium-low, then cover and cook for 15 minutes. Pat dry a 350-gram block of extra firm tofu. Then crumble the tofu into a bowl. You can use a fork or use your hands, it's completely up to you. The crumbled tofu will add texture and robustness to the recipe. If you don't have tofu on hand, a can of chickpeas will also work well. One red onion, diced. You can use a couple of shallots or a white onion if that's what you have on hand. One small carrot, diced. The carrot will add natural sweetness and a nice little crunch as well. Half a red bell pepper, diced. This will also add some natural sweetness and a little acidity. If the veggies are chopped roughly around the same size, they'll cook evenly. 2 pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Finely chop a small piece of ginger. 1 stick of green onion, chopped. Green onions are one of my favorites. They add amazing freshness and aroma. About 150 grams of broccoli, chopped. You can use regular broccoli of course, but I always have broccolini on hand. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 1 tablespoon chili oil. This will add a really nice smoky spicy flavor to that tofu. I made this in the previous episode. I'll definitely leave a link in the description box below for you to check this out. Make this really easily at home. Crumbled tofu. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes. This will further dry out the tofu and give it a nice little crust. One teaspoon dark soy sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. Set the tofu aside. After 15 minutes, turn the heat off on the rice and let it steam further for another 10 minutes. Place the pan back on medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Onions, garlic, and ginger. Saute for 4 to 5 minutes. This episode is a companion video to one of the recipes found in the 4th cookbook, simply titled Dining In with Will. Admittedly though, with over 500 episodes now on the channel, sometimes I have to refer back to my own books, so it's quite convenient to have the book in digital format, which is why it's so awesome that Shopify is today's episode sponsor. Our Young Man Cooking web shop has been powered by Shopify's all-in-one commerce platform for many years now. Shopify has the ability to not only offer your great products online through your very own web shop, but also in person with Shopify Point of Sale. This solution unifies your in-store and online offers without complicated workarounds. Shopify is always adding new tools to help small businesses and entrepreneurs at every stage of their journey. We love using Shopify's in-house app, Digital Downloads. Our web shop is able to offer the ebook versions for purchase, and Shopify handles the instant download. Shopify is such a user-friendly platform and has been a great solution for the Young Man Cooking web shop. If you're thinking about testing the waters with Shopify, there is a free trial you can check out in the link in the description box below, or you can visit shopify.com/youngmancooking. Add in the chopped broccoli, red bell pepper, and carrot. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add back in the crumbled tofu. chopped green onions. Saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. This recipe is versatile and casual. Definitely try it with other veggies you have on hand. Plate the rice. Generously top the rice with the veggies. Sprinkle over some white sesame seeds. This is a cilantro lime sauce and a chili mango sauce, both of which can be found in that 4th cookbook, or there is a shorts video I filmed on how to make these really easily at home. I'll ensure there's a link in the description box below for you to check that out. Drizzle over some cilantro lime sauce and some delicious mango chili sauce. You can now enjoy this delicious rice bowl with absolute confidence. That looks and smells amazing. It may seem weird to add mango with the savory rice, but man, those combination of flavors are so tasty. It visually looks rustic and casual. There's this earthy mix of the browned tofu and the bright green color of the green onions, the broccolini, and that beautiful red from the red bell pepper. Just sits on this bed of beautiful, pearly, fluffy white rice. With every bite, you get this unique combination of flavors, from that sweetness of the mango chili sauce, that little spiciness and the smokiness from the chili oil, the salty umami from the soy sauce, and that lightness and brightness from the cilantro lime sauce. The crumbled tofu looks amazing and adds a lot of robustness, whereas the combination of those two sauces really brings everything together. Beautiful, bold flavors and simple to put together. Definitely a recipe that's weeknight friendly. It's always so much fun and exciting to cook easy, delicious recipes at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like this, then definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Yeung Man cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version of these books you can check out in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.